I would like to explain how to replace the touch panel. We recommend replacing the touch panel when the image becomes poor or the response is getting rather slow. In this video, the touch panel of KHS-AI is replaced. You can replace PQC touch panel in the same way. Please be sure to shut off the main power before starting the replacement. First, loosen the 4 screws to remove the cover. After opening the cover, remove the touch panel from the bracket, then cut the cable ties and remove the 6 screws. Cutting the cable ties first makes removal easier. Please remove the last screw carefully to avoid dropping the touch panel. You can see the 3 wiring connected with the touch panel when removing the bracket. Loosen the fixing screws when removing the wiring. Lastly, remove the wiring for power supply. Now you can remove the touch panel. Afterwards, new touch panel should be replaced. First, put back the wiring you just disconnected. The setting for touch panel function switch is required depending on the model. Change the piano switch as shown in the video. Choose one of 4 modes on the left table that can be working. Next, attach the touch panel to the bracket. Set the removed ground wire to the original position. Next, bind the wiring. Close the cover. Please be careful not to get wirings caught in the cover. After replacing, turn on the power and check the operation and brightness of the display. If there is still any problem after replacement, please contact Komori Service.